Hello everyone. Well, no more rain, freezing rain, or sleet in Iowa today. It's all going to be snow, but we're not talking about a lot of snow. No heavy snow in the forecast. It's all going to be light to moderate snow, but some are going to see a little bit more light to moderate snow than others. The story today is more activity to the north and less activity to the south. So the farther north you live in Iowa today, the more frequent the light to moderate snow is going to be. The farther south you live, the less frequent the activity is going to be. For everyone, the best chance does look like the morning hours. And notice not everyone seeing snow for the morning commute, definitely gaps. We'll call it scattered snow shower activity in the northern third of the state, while we're just dealing with isolated snow showers and flurries for the southern 2/3 of the state. At 8 a.m., temperatures ranging from the low 20s to the north and west, to the low 30s to the south and east, and already a little bit of a breeze out there, gusts 15 to 20 miles per hour. At lunchtime, I think more of the same. Scattered snow shower activity in the northern third of the state, but just isolated snow showers and flurries for the central and southern part of the state. And by the time we get to 4 o'clock, I think it's just going to be isolated snow showers and flurries for everyone, even in the northern third of the state. And by the way, these are our high temperatures about 3, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Not much warmer than where we started the day. At the warmest, we might see mid-30s in the Quad Cities, but I bet a lot of us are only going to top out low 30s, upper 20s, and around the Sioux City area. It may only reach the low 20s for highs. And I got to say, not feeling this warm because we're dealing with gusts 25 to 30 miles per hour across the state. So take about 5, 10 degrees off these temperatures, and that's what it's actually going to be feeling like. Even early this evening, we're still going to be dealing with isolated snow showers and flurries, and I think that's going to continue through the evening hours and much of the overnight hours. And I do think for tonight, the trend is going to continue with a little bit more activity in the northern part of the state and less activity as you go to the south. What we're going to see very late tonight, early tomorrow morning, though, is the activity start to come to an end from west to east. So the story for tomorrow is going to be more activity to the east, less activity to the west, but overall, I just think even less activity tomorrow than today. And already by 7 a.m., we're probably going to be done with the isolated snow showers and flurries for places like Denison, Sioux City, but I'm leaving the chance for flurries for the central and eastern part of the state for the morning commute tomorrow. At 7 a.m., temperatures will be ranging from the upper teens to the upper 20s as you go from west to east across the state, and still wind chill factor breezy across the state, gusts around 20 miles per hour. By the time we get to the late morning, I think we'll be done with the activity for the central part of the state, places like Mason City, Des Moines, but I'm going to keep the chance in there for flurries a little bit longer in the eastern third of the state. But I think by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we'll all be done with the flurry activity, everyone dry. And notice the temperatures are going to be about the same tomorrow as today. No warmer than the mid-30s, most of us low 30s, upper 20s, and once again, Sioux City maybe only topping out in the low 20s. And yeah, still breezy, so still a bit of a wind chill factor with a gust 20 to 25 miles per hour. So how much more snow do we have to go before it all comes to an end Thursday afternoon? Well, here you can see that trend of more to the north, less to the south. So in the northern third of the state, we've got about another inch to go, it looks like, maybe inch and a quarter. Sioux City, Mason City, but then as you get into the central part of the state, notice that snowfall totals are going to be more around 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch. But you get to the southern third of the state, and there we're only talking about another 1/10 of an inch to just a dusting.